How you doing out there, YouTube friends and subscribers? Halloween evening. The first firing up of the wood stove out here in the shop. It's about 39 degrees right now. It's going into about 29 tonight. Freeze warnings. Crazy weather we're having. Doing a little cooking on the wood stove. Got me some potatoes and onions going. Life is good. Dual purpose secondary heat source and secondary cooking. 2 for 1, man. Anyway, just sharing this. Hope everybody's having a good night. Stay safe. Stay hydrated. Happy Halloween. I'm out here enjoying my wood stove. First time starting it up in 2019. Thanks for watching. Over and out. Okay, here's part 2 of Oh So Good Cooking with Wood. Halloween evening. Off-grid living at its finest. Life is good out here. This is part 2 of the meal. This is the protein part. Oh, I wish you could smell it. Yep, life is good. Happy Halloween. Stay safe. About time for me to eat. Over and out.